Hey, Ira Herman here, and today we're going to look at how to deploy a React app to Heroku. Now, the issue here is if you deploy a React app that's an app made using Create React App to Heroku, it's not going to work. Heroku is going to misdetect it as just a Node.js app. And so we'll look at that error in part 2 of this video, but in this first video, we're going to focus on just doing it the right way from the beginning. And if you've already deployed your app and you want to switch it after the fact, go ahead and just check out part 2 instead, and we'll show you how to do it. But if you're sticking around, let's go ahead and do it the right way. So to do this, we're going to be using the Mars Create React App build pack for Heroku. And let's take a look at that over here. So if you do a Google search for Mars Create React App, or you may or may not need Heroku in that search, you're going to find this pulling up. And it's got a lot of information. It's actually going to be a lot simpler than going through all this. I'll show you in a minute. We can do this with just one command line. It's going to be pretty easy to do. We also only have to do this one time in order for our app to use this build pack to recognize that it's a React app, and then we never have to use it again for that app. So we can redeploy, we can push updates. It's going to continue detecting it as a React app in the future. We just have to set this up one time when we first push it to Heroku, when we first create that project on Heroku. So let's deploy this. I'm going to take a look at what this app looks like. Here we've got our Create React App. And in order to get this on Heroku, first thing we want to do, git add -A, then we git commit -M, and I'm just going to put here ready for deploy to Heroku. Obviously, you would have a more meaningful commit message in yours. And now that it's committed, it's ready to go, we can create that Heroku app. So we're going to do Heroku Create and issue it a Heroku Create command. But instead of just doing the default, here's where we need to tell it to use the Mars build pack. So let's look at the Mars build pack. I'll zoom this for your screens. And if we scroll down here to this part about how to quick start, Heroku Create, and then the name of our app, which will replace app name with the name of our app. And then we just got to do this, --build pack space Mars / create -react -app. So that's it. So I'm just going to copy this build pack part of it so we can paste it on. And then we'll just go over here to VS Code and our terminal. We'll do Heroku Create. And we could call this app anything we want. I'm going to call this iraCast React App. And then we'll paste that build pack flag on there and hit enter. And it's going to go ahead and create the app and associate it with the build pack on Heroku so that it detects it properly as a React app. Next, we do our git push Heroku master. And that's going to go ahead and deploy it. It's going to take a little bit of time. I'm going to pause the video and then pick it back up in just a minute. Great, that's done deploying. It did take a long time. It took like 5 minutes maybe. But let's check out Heroku and see what it looks like here. So it looks like we've got our iraCast React app set up here. It's deployed and it's properly detected ReactJS Create React App. That's what we want to see. We want to see that it's using the React build pack instead of the Node build pack. We should be able to access it if we pop back over here and do a Heroku open. Opens right up in our browser to the public domain name here, and looks like it's working successfully. If you've done that, congratulations, you've successfully deployed your React app to Heroku. And you're done here. We'll look at how to fix an app you've already deployed to Heroku if it's misdetected and using the wrong build pack in part 2 of this video.